You turn on your TV and there it is, a single thin line running straight down the screen. It doesn't move, it won't go away, and let's be honest, it's incredibly annoying. Now, there's good news and bad news here. The good news? This is a very common, well-documented issue. The bad news? It's almost always a hardware problem, meaning a quick trip into your settings menu isn't going to fix it. To understand why this happens, we have to look behind the glass. Inside your TV, there are thin, ribbon-like connectors that link the main display panel to the microchips, controlling each individual column of pixels. Over time, whether from heat, age, or just the stress of being moved around, that connection can develop a microscopic break. When that signal cuts out, that entire column of pixels goes dark or freezes, leaving you with that permanent line. But before you grab a screwdriver, let's rule out the easy stuff. First, switch between your inputs. Flip from your cable box to your gaming console or a streaming app. If the line only shows up on one specific input, your TV is actually fine. The culprit is just a bad HDMI cable or a glitchy external device. You can also try a quick factory reset. It rarely fixes a physical line, but it rules out a software glitch and only takes about 30 seconds. If the line is still there, it's time for the one hands-on fix that's genuinely safe for a beginner. Reseating the internal cables. First, and this is crucial, unplug the TV completely and hold down the power button for 30 seconds to drain any stored electricity. Once it's safe, remove the screws from the back panel and gently lift the cover off. Inside, you'll see flat ribbon cables connecting the circuit boards. Flip up the tiny locking clip on each connector, slide the cable out, and gently wipe the gold contacts with a soft cloth and a bit of rubbing alcohol. Then, slot them back in firmly and straight, lock them down, and pop the cover back on loosely to test it out. If the line is gone, congratulations, it was just a loose connection. But if it's still there, there's one last DIY trick you can try. Sometimes the connection is just barely separated and needs a tiny bit of physical pressure to close the gap. Some people have success placing a thin piece of folded tape between the outer frame and the exact edge of the panel where the line starts before screwing the back cover back down. Just remember to be incredibly gentle here. If you press too hard, you risk cracking the glass panel entirely. If none of these steps work, it's important to know when to call it. So, if the line persists, it's time to call in a professional repair technician.